How to build a brand new website in under 2 minutes. Go to this URL. So you'll see a special pricing. You also get a domain name for free. Scroll down to find some other plans, but if you want to go for the most cost-effective plan, then this is the one you want to go for. On the next page, you can choose your own domain name. You can search for it, or you can choose a domain name later. And if you have a domain name, you can connect it. The next page is the pricing page. You can see the pricing right here. If you change it to a year, the pricing will be different. The monthly pricing will also be different. So make sure to choose the term that fits your needs. Make sure to confirm the pricing on the final page is what you're looking for. Then you should continue to check out. On the next page, just fill in your information, the billing information, the account information, and confirm your pricing, confirm everything, and make your payment. So once you do that, you'll get confirmation from a payment provider that the payment is done, and also some login details from Bluehost. Use the login details to log into the backend of your Bluehost account. Once you're logged into the Bluehost admin, go to the website section. Yours will look different, and you can see we have a bunch of sites already on our Bluehost account. You can click the Add Site button to start creating your first website. On the next page, make sure to choose WordPress and click the Continue button. On the next page, you can give your site a title. I'd recommend doing it now, but you can always change it later. This is the title I'm going with. I'm going to click Continue now. On the next step, connect your domain name that you selected earlier. And the website is now being created. It takes a couple of minutes, so let's stay patient. Our site is now created. Let's log into WordPress. On the next step, we'll choose the AI site creator. On the next page, we can add some information about our site, and it's done. Let's click the next button. On the next step, you can upload your logo, and the logo is now updated. Let's click the next button, and the website is being built. So now Bluehost is giving us a few different options to choose from. I personally like the first one, so I'm going to click this one, Save and Publish on the top right. And your very first website is technically live. This is the backend, that's why it looks complicated or different, but you can click this View button, and this is how our website looks like. Looks great. Let's also install a custom theme. We'll go to Appearance and we'll go to Themes. Let's install a new theme by clicking this button. Let's search for a theme. The Sydney theme. You can see it here. And this is the Sydney theme. Let's hover over it, install the theme. Let's also activate it. Once you install the Sydney theme, you'll see this notice, and you'll also have this option to install starter sites, which is a plugin. I'd recommend you install this. Once the starter templates are installed, you'll see the starter sites option inside the Sydney option, which is the theme menu entry. Once you go into starter sites, you'll see a bunch of different pre-built websites you can just import onto your website. I like this plumber template, so I'll import this. I have the entire site with the content as well because it's a brand new site. Let's click Next. On the next step, you can subscribe for more updates or just skip and start importing. And once the import finishes, we have a brand new, beautiful looking website ready. And that's how you build a website in absolutely just a few minutes of time. Follow us for more website building advice.